A featured product slider, also called product carousel, is a great way to highlight bestsellers, new arrivals, or promotions on your homepage. Step-by-step guide. No apps needed. Log into your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store, Themes. Click Customize on your active theme, Dawn, or any 2.0 plus theme recommended. On the home page, click Add section. Search for and select Featured Collection, Product Carousel, or Featured Products. Click on the New section to customize it. Choose the collection you want to feature. Set the number of products to show, for example, 8 to 12. Enable slider or carousel mode. Customize settings. Autoplay, arrows, dots, mobile view, heading, etc. Click Save. For more advanced sliders, install free or paid apps from the Shopify App Store, such as OctoSlides, Boost Product Slider, Flexify, Judge.me. Product reviews, some include sliders.